Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find out who has access to your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find out who has access to your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, pretty common to work with various contractors, but you might have given access to somebody you forgot about. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find out who has access to your Google Ads account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Admin. Looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click here on Access and Security. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show all the different users that have access to your Google Ads account. You can see on this account, it's just me. You can also check the access level for that particular person. If you see somebody in here that you don't want to have access to your Google Ads anymore, you can easily just click over here on Remove Access. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find out who has access to your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to look it up. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.